Hey guys, so we're gonna teach you how to skin your Bootstrap. So there's like around 16 skins for Bootstrap. It was created by some Korean guy named what was his name? Tony? Thomas? Yeah, Thomas Park. So pretty cool. So let's get started. Let's create a new file. New file. Index.html. Cool. And we're gonna scaffold. Done. And we're gonna name this file Bootstrap custom CSS. Control C. And I like darkly, so I'm gonna cheat a little. I'm gonna go in here, paste. I don't think I need that. Try this. Copy paste, and we're gonna do what is this? Div class jumbotron h1 jumbo. Didn't work. So that's custom CSS. Cool. Jumbo. It's working. Cool. So this is the theme. We're good to go. So we got darkly installed. That's about it. We don't need this. So cool. It's not CDN, so I don't recommend it. But he's serving this for free, so it doesn't really matter. He's probably serving this on a shared host, so whatever. And he has this on GitHub too, so this stuff will be all like forever for free. So the default skin of Bootstrap looks very ugly. Bootstrap 3. This is what it looks defaultly. Components. We all know what it looks like. I'm sorry, I'm burping a lot. Glyphicons. See. It looks like that. But this theme looks like this. Which is pretty cool. And it has pretty good typography already, so has progress bars, has like jumbotron container, and it gives you like the code to copy it. So it's pretty cool. So you want this? Yeah, sure. I'll get the jumbotron. Copy paste this. Copy paste this. The jumbotron. I need a navy though. That's the most important thing. Cool. Got my jumbotron, and I also got my call to action. I got this in a container, so container row. That's not how you do it. Delete, and then we're gonna copy and paste this thing. Put it in tab. So, is there a paragraph here? What else? Oh no! Control S, open this guy up. Now I have this lovely container. It's responsive. Cool. Just like that. If you don't want the container, like the little space in between, you can just delete it and it'll look like a full. Cool. Now I gotta delete row because rows not nice. So it'll be a full. So you don't need that. Cool. Let's see. Go to style, and then I'm gonna select Jumbotron. So this is a tutorial, so it's not a CSS class. This is not a Bootstrap. This is just how to skin it. Let's see, margin right, no, it's left. Left, give it 10 pixels. See if this works. Cool, we got 10 pixels. Internally, margin padding. Let's give 10 pixels. Inspector. Margin padding. Oops. Left. There we go. Prettier. Cool. Give a little spacing. That's bad. Yeah, I think it needs container. And let's put containers. See how it looks. Container. Wrap the div in container. I forget this. Let's put this in a row. That's very ugly. Don't do that. Clean this up a bit. There we go. See if this goes to this, this goes to this, that goes to that. Cool. See, now it's responsive. Nah, it needs a media query. Okay, now we need a navy. I get the blue one. So, copy and paste this whole guy. Control A. No, don't do that. Pretty cool. Close. And let's put on top. And cool, move it navy. Audience. Get installed job. Navigation. I'm missing the JavaScript? Probably. Comp based. Comp based. Let's get it working. Cool, got it working. And now we have a custom skin. So what else do we want? Drop down warnings, typography, close, form. Let's go to rescrew and graph components. Columns. We have cards now. Password, email. So yeah, this is a simple company page. Just copy the rest of it. Copy up to body. So all these things. Paste. jQuery's on top. It's there. Actually, don't do this. Why does it pass? Oh, there's not custom styles on this one too. but you get it. This gets really messy really fast. It's messy really fast. So you know, I'm just gonna do it this way. So I'm gonna grab this guy, get Navi, and then remove components you don't need. Like you don't want that, then just delete it. You don't want to search them, you can delete that. This example would drop down. Close that. Typography has really good fonts already. Block quotes. Sorry about that. Do a block quote. Cool, we have a block quote. Let's put in a container actually. Let's put in a container. Cool. We have that. Create a web form. Create pills. Pagination. Right. Say you don't like this theme. You're like, I don't really like it. So yeah, I don't like it. Then you're like, how about I want to try Yeti. That'll be just like this. Click that. Grab it here. Yeti. And then you just replace this. And you control S. And there you go. Like, oh, I have a new skin. That's so cool. That was so fast. Bam, done. So these are more pages. Navigation. Let's go change it over. Brand. Right here, your logos here. Hills. This one's not my most favorite font. Typography. Let's put in a container. The row's been already created. Cool. So we have a header here. We have a link. We have a block quote. So we have a beginning of a blog, and then as it gets smaller, people can read it. And you have a mini drop down menu, so pretty much good to go. And you just add like a random picture or something. Example picture. Let's do Bootstrap. Responsive. bit small. I have this option now. A bit small. Leave that. There's my image here. Got an image. There's a paragraph, so I get more space. Copy paste. Cool. Get a little more space. Space picture. Double it. 608. 472. Just on its fly. It's blurry. It's not responsive. I want a responsive picture though. There, responsive. There we go. Like that. This one's a little more clear. Let's use that one. Copy image, address, and paste. Let's get the class image responsive. Have a class. Let's image rounded. Okay. Open. There you go. And then we shrink it. There's responsive. Perfect. Let's change the rest of it. 460, 375. Let's go. It's not actually code, guys. These copy and paste make it work. But I've been coding for a while, so I know what's going on. So it's responsive. Cool. All right. Cool. We have our page made. So say if you don't like this theme, you're like, I don't like this theme. You just go, all right, I don't like this theme at all. It's still Bootstrap. It's like the same stuff components. So I don't like it. So you don't like it. I don't like this theme. I like readable. Cool. Go in here and just copy paste in here, and you're good to go. Bam. Cool. Look, new theme. That's not very readable. I can't read this. These links up here actually. Let's see. Maybe Slate. Let me see how their nav looks like. This is better. But I don't like this curly thing. I want. Let's get Flatly. See, I really can't decide. Let's see the font. They have Lato, 400, Italic, by Thomas Park. Ooh, better. That's the font I like. Okay, let's say for example, like you want to edit something. So Control A, copy. You go unminified, CSS, unminify it, and you have OCS unminified. So you can just go Control A, Control C. You create a new file, and yeah, and you just Control F and look for stuff you want to edit. And then when you're done editing this entire junk, so it's unminified now. So you edit it, and then you reminify it. You go to CSS minify. and you put it in here, and you reminify it. Select all, copy and paste, and you get the minified version, which saves a lot of space. So let's open this one or something. Okay, so when it's minified, it's 125 kilobytes. So I'm gonna save this unminified, the CSS, and see how big is it. Save as unmin dot. Let's call this Bootstrap CSS. Bootstrap CSS. Yeah, let's call this Bootstrap CSS. Sorry. Cool. And we're gonna open this guy up and compare the size. The size is 161 unminified. So when you minify it, this guy again, sorry. You're gonna save like around 40 kilobytes. That's a lot. Pretty good. What else I want to talk about? So this also comes with less and SAS, SESS. So we can look at that. So these are the colors. Light gray, right? But you can name this color whatever you want, or 999 or E, doesn't matter. Lighter gray. And then these are like the primary success info. You can change the colors in here, the variables. So you have a lot of customization. Like a lot of customization. And you have components in here that you could also get rid of or change. So you even make Bootstrap lighter. So yeah, this is like less, which looks like exactly like SESS. I don't know why it's different. So you also have the variables in here. So you can delete the components you don't need, and then you can compile it back into SESS. So these are precursors. So you have to compile SCSS or less into a Bootstrap CSS, and then you can just like minify it or something. You could use like Scout. Scout CSS, and you could just like to make it. And then there's also a less compiler. Just install this, or I use Winless because I'm on Windows, and then this will compile your less, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool tool. So, and you would just edit the variable. Don't touch it. Compile this one. It'll import it from this. It'll import. So just compile this one. This one, I mean, and this one, because it'll import the variables. So you can change the colors right here. This is the only thing you want to touch. That's background. So it's default. You can change that too. And whatever font you like. And these are just like functions. So you have a lot of customization. So even though you have a 6 skins, you still could customize the skin further. Or you can just unminify the Bootstrap and then reminify it and go through in here and change the colors one by one. Or you can just create a new CSS file and customize it even more further.